Hi Mary, this is Gabriella. I'm making you a quick video because unfortunately I won't be here beyond Thursday, and I just wanted you to have a quick idea of what I was doing whenever I found your articles for you. I wasn't able to find all of them, but this one I was able to find available on Publisher's website. I just want to let you know that it's not a specific resource available on a campus or the other or anything like that. I just used Google Scholar to find it. So one suggestion I would have is that if you have an article that you can't find on our databases, I would double check that it's not available on Google Scholar before you send in the interlibrary loan request. So all I did was copy paste the title of the article you were looking for, and then I went to scholar.google.com, and I went ahead and put quotations, and then pasted your title in, and then ended it with quotations. And then I hit search. There are apparently 7 versions available on Google Scholar, so I went ahead and see all 7 versions. Not all of them are going to be available. Most of them they're going to ask you to pay for. I just usually double check to see if any of them happen to be available. I open all of them first. That's just a habit of mine. I noticed on this first one that I clicked that it had download PDF available. I went ahead and clicked on that, and that provided me with the copy that I was looking for. As I said, this is not going to happen every time. For me, I mean, like when I'm searching titles for students, it happens, maybe 1/10 of the time, maybe, but it just happened to be that I think, 2 of yours ended up being available through the publisher. So I think this is the link I ended up giving you. Or maybe this one. I'm not sure which one I gave you, but just to let you know, that's how I ended up finding this. It's not on our databases or anything. All I did was search Google Scholar to see if there was one available for the title you gave me. You're more than welcome to search. I'm sure the internet has lots of videos on how to do Google Scholar if you have questions, or I'll be here until Thursday, I think. So you're more than welcome to call me at 541-506-6087 or 541-506-6081. But yeah, so just searching Google Scholar as an extra step in between, not being able to find it on the database and sending it into the interlibrary loan might be a good step. I hope you are having great luck with your research, and I hope you have a great day. If you need help finding something, remember that you can always go to the CGCC library main page and chat with a librarian, and they could definitely give you ideas or help you out in finding stuff too. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.